We all know dryers make lint, but where does it actually come from? When clothes and other linens tumble around inside a dryer, the heat, air, and friction cause tiny fibers to break off from the fabric. These loose fibers get carried through the dryer and pulled into the lint trap. The bigger and bulkier the load, the more lint you'll create. And if you overdry your laundry, extra heat and friction break off even more fibers, which means even more lint. Some newer commercial dryers have built-in technology that helps limit overdrying. Check with your equipment distributor or manufacturer to find out if they offer these features. Now that we know where lint comes from, what can we do about it? Clean your lint screens often, ideally after every dryer cycle, and do what you can to help customers avoid overdrying. You'll dry faster, save energy, and help prevent dryer fires.